All right.
When?
We're filming. Somebody got a birthday present today.
Posting this on YouTube, so, and Instagram. I'm just gonna cut this open because I'm very good at sliding, so
Okay.
as you can see.
Okay.
This might take a minute, so if you're Instagram, I might cut this up into a few parts. On YouTube, you'll see the whole thing. Okay. This one, like this.
Careful your finger.
Okay, that part's loose. The other side. So.
And what does the box say on it?
Amazon Prime. I'm not telling everybody yet. We'll see when I open it.
Oh, I'm just asking what the outside of the box has.
It says Lids Sports. That's the logo.
Hmm.
Let's see. Did anybody see that? I don't think they did.
Not quite open.
Okay, there we go.
All right. It's a box.
Yeah. Yay! Just what I want!
Bubble wrap. What is it?
I think it's a.
Ooh.
What is that called again? Is that called a? Nintendo Entertainment. No, what am I kidding? It's a PS4!
Woohoo!
Yes, thank you, Mom. And I know you might think I already have one on my dad's house, which I do. Now I got one on my mom's house, which I live. So it's even better. Thank you.